Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inserting the compressor directly on the track you want to control. Click the track's FX button, then add RIA Comp or your chosen compressor. This makes the signal pass through the plugin. Once added, make sure the plugin is first in the chain when you plan side chaining, or after EQ if you want tonal control before compression. This quick start avoids routing detours and gets you compressing immediately while preserving later mixing options, so you can hear results and tweak settings right away. You now dial the core controls, threshold and ratio. Lower the threshold until the gain reduction meter shows about 3 to 6 decibels on louder passages. This controls peaks without squashing dynamics. Then set the ratio, 2 to 1 or 4 to 1 for smooth leveling, higher for obvious pumping. Next, tweak attack and release. Faster attack catches transients, slower lets them through, release should breathe with the tempo. Once done, make small adjustments while playing the session to lock behavior to the performance. Finish by balancing output with makeup gain so the track sits naturally in the mix. Toggle bypass to confirm improvement. If you hear unwanted pumping or distortion, reduce the ratio, lengthen attack slightly, or smooth the release. These steps remove artifacts while keeping control. For rhythmic ducking, send a side chain from the trigger track into the compressor's detector input. Finally, make sure meters are healthy and that compression supports the song's feel. If something still sounds off, reset one control and retune from there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.